So previous session, getting back tool completed. So today we'll start display management. Display management. Open the notebook. Today start display management session. Okay. In display management, first keyword option. Second one is limit. Third one is drafting setting. Drafting setting. Fourth one is drawing unit. Object snap. Clear up to here? So let's execute option command. Let's execute option command. See here. By default, window element color theme dark. So here window element color theme dark. If you want to convert dark into light, go to command line window. Here command line window. Option command OP. Enter. Option command OP. OP enter. Option command OP enter. So there are so many properties. First property is file tab. These are comes under tab, tab tab. File tab, display tab, open and save, plot and publish, system, user preferences, drafting, 3D modeling, selection, profile. Go to display tab. Display tab. Under display tab, see here, window element color theme. Go to color theme. By default here dark. Select light. Select OK. Is it clear up to here? Understand? There is a cross here. If you want to adjust size of crosshair, same command repeat here, OP, enter, under display tab, here crosshair size, increase or decrease. I'm consider less value, 10. Select OK, decrease. Clear up to here? If you want to hide temporary, drawing file 1, here is a visible now. If you want to make invisible, OP enter, under display tab, under layout element, layout and model tab, display printable area, display file tab. Here by default tick mark. Make sure this box is empty. Untick. Okay. If you want to hide model tab and layout tab permanently, OP enter, display layout and model tab, empty box, unselect, select OK. There is no model tab, there is no layout tab. To show, copy enter, tick mark, display file tab, tick mark, display layout and model tab, tick mark. Select OK. If you want to change in dark background, copy enter, display tab under color theme, dark, select OK. Understand? So write down process. Copy enter, go to display tab, go to window element, color theme, dark or light, dark or light, dark or light. Clear up here. Go to crosshair, size and adjust value. Lower value decrease, upper value increase. 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 25. Clear now? So what is the maximum range of crosshair size? Copy enter up to 100. Between 0 to 100 value. Clear up here. Copy enter and here is the value 15. Done. Clear concept up to here. Right. You can set between value 0 to 100. Hide and show, display, file tab. Hide and show, display, model tab and layout tab. Clear up here. Tick or untick, right? Tick or untick. Here also tick or untick. For tick, visible. For untick, invisible. Concept clear? Select OK. Or display color scheme. Display color scheme. Copy enter. Go to display tab. Go to display tab. Go to display color. Choose current context. Choose any interface element. Choose current context. Choose any interface element. Right up to here. Okay. OP enter. Here is for display tab. Display color. Display color. So many context here. 2D model space, sheet layout, 3D parallel projection, 3D perspective projection, block editor, command line, plot preview. Current context here 2D model space, interface element, uniform background, background color, some color here 33, 40, 48. Select the color white. Select apply. Concept clear? Understand this one? Display color, grid, major line. By default color here for green. Go to color and here change. Grid minor line, color here set for black. Select apply. Right up to here. Select color. Select apply. Clear up to here. Understand? Okay. Right up to here. Select okay. Done. If you want to change crosshair, OP enter, display color, crosshair. Crosshair color here for green. Select apply and close and okay. Concept clear. OP enter, display color, command line. Command history background, this color here. How to check history of command? Function F2. Function, press F2. History. OP enter, display color, command line, right totally. Command line, command history text. Yellow, active prompt background, select color. There are so many color here. How many color? 3, 6, 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 240 color. Under index color. True color, color book. I am set this color. Apply. Clear? Understand totally? Active prompt text. Cyan. Prompt background. Select the color. Some saturation level. Clear? Temporary prompt text. Command option keyword. Background. this color here, right? Select apply and close and okay. Right up to here. Function F2. Here is the F2. Circle C enter. Here. Understand totally? If you want to restore, OP enter, display color, 2D model space, restore all context. Apply close in previous changes. Clear up here. Understand concept? Okay. OP enter, display color, only grid major line color change for indication purpose, right? Understand up here? Okay. So options completed. Color scheme also completed. This process only. Select apply, select OK. Clear now here? If you want to restore, select restore all context. Option over. So next command is page limits. Page limit. Look at here. What is the page limit? I will show you. See here. A standard sheet size. A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. Yeah. Definition of page limit. What is the page limit? Also called drawing limit in AutoCAD. Define the maximum working area or boundary of a drawing. They help you to set the size of the drawing area according to the required sheet size such as A4, A3, A2, A1, A0. The limit command is used to specify lower left corner and upper right corner of the drawing area. Why are page limit used? Define the drawing boundaries, matching the drawing area to the proper size, organize the workspace, help with grid display, improve drawing accuracy. Clear up to here? In YouTube, this is for available, right? Making a peer notes. Okay. Understand? Theory is for just for understanding. Practically the main important. Note, page limit do not prevent you from drawing outside the boundary. They are mainly used as a reference area, especially with the grid. Under grid, drawing creation. Outside grid, not create. How to set page limit? So write down how to set page limits. How to set page limits. How to set page limit. Method. First, limits enter. Limits enter. Limits enter. Right up to here. Specify lower left corner. Specify lower left corner. Usually 0, comma 0. Usually 0, comma 0. Next step, specify upper right corner based on drawing sheet size. Based on drawing sheet size. Zoom command, Z enter, zoom all, A enter to display the complete drawing limit. Concept clear? Understand? Completed this one? Okay. So write down drawing sheet information. Drawing sheet information. Drawing sheet information. A not ISO 841 into 1189 millimeter. Orientation portrait. A1 ISO 594 into 841 mm. Orientation portrait. A2 ISO 420 into 594 mm. Orientation portrait. A3 ISO 297 into 420 mm. Orientation portrait. A4 ISO 210 into 297 mm. Orientation portrait. What is the full form of ISO? International Organization for Standard. International Organization for Standard. International Standard. Clear up to your ISO. Right? A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. These all are these all are drawing sheet. Clear up to your understand? For landscape, value will change. For landscape, copy this one. Completed. For landscape, 11 89 into 841. Orientation, landscape. Clear? So next year 841 into 594. Orientation, landscape. 594 into 420. Orientation, landscape. Clear up to your 420 into 297. Orientation, landscape. 297 into 210. Orientation, landscape. Clear up to your understand totally? For setting page layout, say here in AutoCAD. So here is the AutoCAD. How to set page layout, right? Page limit. Limits command LIMITS. Limits. Enter. Lower left corner 0, 0. Clear? A for portrait. By default here A3. By default this value here 420 into 297. Change into A4. X value 210. Y value 297. Enter. Concept clear. Lower left corner 0, 0. Upper right corner 210, 297. Zoom command Z enter. Extend command E enter. Or all command A enter. Concept clear? Understand? So write down how to show plot of A4 drawing sheet. How to show plot of A4 drawing sheet. Clear up to here? What is the step 1? Go to drafting setting. Drafting setting. DS enter. Go to drafting setting. DS enter. Go to snap and grid tab. Under grid we have here untick display grid beyond limits. Untick display grid beyond limits. Display grid beyond limits. Select OK. Right up to here. అర్థమైందా? Okay. Drafting setting DS. Drafting setting DS. Go to snap and grid. Snap and grid tab. Under grid we have here untick display grid beyond limits. Uncheck. Untick. Clear up to here. Select OK. Select Okay, clear now to your understand totally. So this is A4 drawing sheet. Orientation, portrait. Concept clear. Over limit, limit completed, right? So write down how to set boundaries of boundary of page limits. Go to model view setup, layout. Which keyword here add? MV setup. MV setup. Clear up to here? MV setup. Clear concept? MV setup. MV setup. Enable paper space no and enter. Step 2. Enable paper space. Enable paper space and enter. Enable paper space and enter. N for no, right? N for no. Enter unit type decimal. D enter. Enter unit type. Write down. Enter unit type decimal. Keyword here D enter. Enter unit type decimal D enter. Right up to here. Decimal D enter. Scale factor 1. Enter scale factor 1. What is scale factor? Scale of drawing sheet. By default here 1 scale. Clear up to here. 1 enter. Enter the scale factor. Enter the scale factor 1 enter. Paper width 210 enter. Paper height paper height 297 enter. Paper weight 210. Paper height 297 enter. Concept clear? Copy in the notebook. This is a boundary of page limits. Copy it. Rectangle, draw rectangle form. Right up to here. Completed. So write down list of draw command. List of draw command. Command name, command shortcut, aliases. Okay. First command line, line command L enter. Second command circle, C enter. Third command is rotate. 1 minute. Rectangle, REC, REC enter. R command, A enter. Polyline command, PL enter. Ellipse command, EL enter. Right up to here. Understand? Okay. Polygon, POL enter. Construction line, Excel enter. Ray line, RAY, enter. SP line, SPL enter. H, gradient, GD enter. Boundary, BO enter. Boundary, BO enter. Completed this one. Over up to year 13. Right. 14.1. Multiple point. Point mode. Point size. Clear up to here. Point mode, point size, multiple point. Divide command. DIV enter. Measure. ME enter. Revision cloud. Ref cloud. Enter. Helix. Helix enter. Understand total? 21 list. Wipeout. Wipeout enter. Clear totally? Multi-line ML enter. Multiple point only selecting command. There is no shortcut. Multi-line ML enter. 3D polyline. 3D polyline. 3D poly. 3D polyline. 3D poly. POLY. Concept clear totally? 3D polyline. Wipeout. 24 list. Region. Clear up here. On tomorrow we'll start line command. So today day 3 completed. Display management over. Drawing sheet also completed, right? Clear na? Okay. Desktop clear up to here. Understand totally? This one na? Drawing sheet information. Concept clear totally? Okay up to here. So go to lab and practice it. Saturday will do. 2 days practice in lab, Saturday will do. Okay. After you practice, I will say what are the scale improvement, right? Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay. I will share this video also. Okay, now.